Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel and happy Sunday, everybody. You guys know what that means. We've got some new Dollar General digital coupons to clip to our accounts, and we have a couple of glitches as well. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so, and don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help your girl out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go, and also take a second to share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. Alright guys, so first up, yesterday I did make quite a few posts on the community tab, so I hope you all saw those, but just in case, I wanted to go ahead and throw these in here and make sure that y'all know that we do have new DG rewards. So what you need to do is open up your app, click on your wallet, then DG rewards, and make sure that you are enrolled in all three of these new DG rewards. Now, I also made a post about this first thing yesterday morning because I woke up, I was getting ready to go out to Dollar General to do some couponing, and I started seeing these exclusive P&G coupons pop up on some of my accounts. Now, I will say that not all accounts receive these coupons, and some accounts only have one or two of these coupons, so it's really just kind of hit or miss, and unfortunately, Dollar General has stopped it to where we could click on the coupon and share the link out to everybody. Unfortunately, those links are no longer working. So just double check your accounts and see if you guys have any of these exclusive coupons, and if you received any, let me know in the comment section down below which ones you received. Alright, now before we get into our digital coupons, let's go ahead and take a look at our insert schedule really quickly, and today looks like a really good day to pick up a newspaper. So today is August the 7th. We should be receiving a Smart Source insert and 2 Save inserts. I have not went out to pick up my newspapers yet, but hopefully there's some really good coupons in there. So let's go ahead and jump right into our new Dollar General digital coupons. So of course, go ahead and clip your 5 off 25 for Saturday. We have 2 Toms of Maine's coupons. Now, not all accounts received these, but just in case you have them on your account, these do work on the Toms of Maine Kids toothpaste that are priced at $4 each. So if you pick up 2 and use the 2 off 2, you're going to pay $6 for 2. If you want to pick up 1 and use the 150 off 1, you're going to pay $2.50. We have another 1 off 2 digital coupon for the General Mills cereals. Those are on sale 2 for $5. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $4 for 2. We have 1 off 2 for the Huggies wipes. That coupon is back. We also have a 1 off 1 for the Pepsi or Mountain Dew 18 packs. So those are on sale for $7.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $6.50. We also have this 5 off 3 digital coupon for the Colgate toothpaste. So this is working on the Max Fresh toothpaste. Those are priced at $2.95 each. Pick up a total of 3. Use that coupon. You're going to pay $3.85 for 3, which works out to be $1.28 each, which isn't a great deal, but I decided to go ahead and clip it to my account just in case something pops up. Alright, moving on down, we have 1 off 1 for the Downy scent beads or the dryer sheets. So as I showed you all at the beginning of the video, we do have exclusive coupons. Unfortunately, not all accounts did receive those. So as we go through all of these coupons, I will be skipping over all of the P&G coupons just until I can double check to make sure that I don't have any of those exclusive higher value coupons on this account. Alright, so we do have this 1 off 1 for the Downy scent beads or the dryer sheets. Those are now priced at $5.35. So those did go up in price. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4.35. These are on sale this week, 2 for $9. So if you want to pick up 2 and use that coupon, you're going to pay $8 for 2. Next up, we have that 1 off 1 for the All or Snuggle products. This is an older coupon, but I did just clip it to my account this week. I do believe the insert coupons did expire over the weekend, and we do still have that instant savings for when you spend $15 on All and Snuggle and Purex products. You're going to instantly save $3 at the register. So I finally did clip that one to my account. We have 50 cents off 1 for the Tide Simply or Bounce dryer sheets. Those are priced at $3.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3. We have 150 off 1 for the Lysol laundry sanitizer, 3 off 1 for the Gain Flings, the liquid or the fireworks. These are priced at $15.95. After the coupon, you're going to pay $12.95. And keep in mind, we do still have that DG store coupon for spend 20, save 5 on Gain products. Alright, next up, we have 50 cents off 1 for the Hidden Valley Ranch products. If you want to pick up the little seasoning packets, those are priced at $2.25. After the coupon, you'll pay $1.75. We have 2 off 2 for the Aussie shampoos, conditioners, or styling products. Those start out at $3 each. So pick up 2 and use this coupon. You're going to pay $4 for 2. Moving on down, we have 1 off 2 for the Lysol products. Now, if you guys watched my video on Friday with all of our 5 off $25 scenarios, you guys saw that we had some Ibotta rebates for Lysol products. So you guys keep that in mind this week as well. If you want to pick up the Lysol all-purpose sprays, those are priced at $2.50. So pick up 2 and use this coupon. You're going to pay $4 for 2. Next up, 1 off 1 for the Downy liquid fabric softeners, 77 ounces. So these are now priced at $6.95. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $5.95. Moving on down, 125 off 1 for the Centrum products. So we do have a higher value 3 off 1 coupon that y'all are going to see here in just a second. But with this coupon, it does work on the Centrum minis. Those are priced at $3. After the coupon, you're going to pay $1.75. If you want to pick up any of the other Centrum vitamins, those are now priced at $5.75. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $4.50. All right, so I'm going to pass on clipping that one. We have 50 cents off 1 for the Energizer. Here is a coupon that I am scratching my head over because it is $1.05 off of 2 Febreze plug-in refills. And those are pretty pricey at $5.50 each. So if you pick up 2, that's going to put you at $11. After this coupon, you're going to pay $9.95 for 2. So that is a really bad coupon. It's just crazy to me that I don't know. That one's got me scratching my head, like I said. All right, 1 off 1 for the extra laundry detergent. Those are priced at $5.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4.50. Here is that 3 off 1 Centrum coupon, and this does work on the Centrum minis that are priced at $3. So after the coupon, that's going to make it completely free. Now, I know that those are getting a little bit harder to find. I still found a few at my store in the regular spot. I'm not sure if people around here, I think some of the couponers have kind of taken a break or something, because a lot of items have been in stock here lately that I did not expect to still be here at this point. So definitely go ahead and clip that one just in case you run across them. Next up, 1 off 1 for the Irish Spring. Now those also went up in price. Those are now $5.35. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $4.35. $1.50 off 1 for the Finish dishwasher tablets. These are priced at $7.65 for the 24 count. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $6.15. And keep in mind, we do have Ibotta rebates. So that turned out to be a really good deal yesterday to pair up with our 5 off 25s. All right, next up, 75 cents off 1 for the Glad Press and Seal, Flex and Seal, Cling Wrap. If you want to pick up the Cling Wrap, those are priced at $3.75. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3. However, this is our glitch coupon, or at least one of them for this week. This is working on the 16 count Glad sandwich bags found in the dollar aisle for $1. So pick up one of those, use this coupon, and you're going to pay just 25 cents. Pretty good. And I mean, we're all going to need some back to school sandwich bags to start packing lunches and all that good stuff. So pretty good little glitch there. All right, 3 off 1 for the Essential Mist Starter Kits. We have 1 off 1 for the Listerine. So those are priced at $4.95 for the 500 milliliter bottles. So $4.95. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3.95. We have pull-ups. We have Excedrin. Turn my page here. We have $1.50 off 1 for the Airwick Freshmatic refills. These also pretty pricey at $5.75. So after the coupon, you pay $4.25. We have 2 off 1 for the CoverGirl eye products. So something went wrong. I'll have to go back and check my coupons after we're done here. All right, 2 off 1 for the CoverGirl eye products. The 2 count eye pencils also went up in price. Those are now $4.95. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.95. Those prices just continue to go up. It's kind of crazy. All right, 2 off 1 for the Huggies. Those are priced at $10.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $8.50. 3 off 1 for the Tide liquid or the pods. Those are priced at $15.95. After the coupon, you're going to pay $12.95. 1 off 1 for the Benadryl. We have a 1 off 1 for the Toms of Maine products. Now, even though I clipped that higher value $1.50 off 1 coupon, this coupon is working on the Toms of Maine lavender deodorants, the 2.25 ounces. Those are priced at $3. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $2. Hopefully, we'll have some Ibotta rebates pop up with those. All right, 4 off 1 for the Zyrtec. We're going to skip over a few of these here just to keep it moving. We have 4 off 1 for the children's Zyrtec. I thought this was a pretty good deal. These are $12.50, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $8.50. And if this is one of those items that you have to have, you might as well go ahead and pick it up while you have those higher value coupons, all right? 1 off 1 for the Advil, 2 off 1 for the CoverGirl face products. Those are $6.75 now, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $4.75. We have 1 off 1 for the Arm & Hammer laundry detergent. Those are $6.35. After the coupon, you're going to pay $5.35. We have 2 off 1 for the Gas X. If you want to pick up the 18 count, those are priced at $4.95. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.95. There's that Dollar Shave Club coupon from... All right, we know something went wrong. I'll check it later. That 5 off for the Dollar Shave Club products was from last week. We have Polydent and Clairol. We have, I cannot say that word. I'm not even going to try. 3 off 1 for the Advil on the higher counts. $1.50 off 1 for the Preparation H. We have Nexium, Nature's Bounty. 2 off 1 for the Aleve. 3 off 1 for the IBGuard or Fiber One products. I couldn't get that one to attach to anything in the app, so we'll have to check out in store and see what we can find. All right, $1.50 off 1 for the Visine products. These are priced at $4.95, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $3.45, and hopefully, fingers crossed, we'll get an Ibotta rebate or something to pair up with that. All right, there's that 3 off 1 CoverGirl Clean coupon that we can never get to attach to anything. We also have a save $2 when you spend $12 on Hanes bonus packs. Now, this coupon works on a ton of stuff: socks, underwears, t-shirts, all kinds of things. The lowest priced item that I could find were the boys or men's socks. Those are priced at $7.50, so if you pick up 2, after this coupon, you're going to pay $13 for 2 packs of these socks. And last but not least, right here is a weird coupon. It states that it's for the True Living bath tissue, but it has pictured the DG Health ibuprofen. Well, it is actually working on the DG Health ibuprofen, so you could consider this a glitch. I'm not quite sure what's going on with it, but either way, it's a good deal. If you want to pick up the 50 count ibuprofen, those are priced at $2, so after the coupon, you're going to pay just $1. All right, guys, so that's it for our new Dollar General digital coupons. Alright guys, so that is it for me for now. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and before you go, if you're not already subscribed, please consider doing so, and don't forget to turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on any awesome deals. While you're at it, hit that thumbs up button for me because it's a free way that you can help your girl out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go, and also take a second to share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I'll see you on the next one.